It's been a long road, lost in my mind. Fragments of hope left far behind. Chasing the shadows of my own despair, wondering if I'm too broken to repair. Whispers and shadows haunt my dreams. I can't tell what's real or bursting at the seams. Can I rise from the ashes or stay in the dark? Have I lost my soul, left a permanent mark? Broken reflections in a shattered glass, torn between future, we live in the past. Each hit a dagger, cutting deeper still. I see the wreckage against my will. Life passing by like a fading light, left with the pieces I can't put right. And my ghost lost in my own maze, searching for comfort in this world.